Welcome to Module 6, Testing, Validation, and Post-Implementation. This module highlights the critical phases ensuring software meets business requirements and is ready for operational use. We'll explore key concepts like user acceptance testing and the role of business analysts in bridging technical and business needs. User acceptance testing, UAT, is the final phase before deployment, where end users test the system to ensure it meets business requirements. UAT validates that the solution supports actual business processes, serving as the last checkpoint before going live. A successful UAT confirms readiness for operational use. Test cases are crucial for verifying system functionality. They consist of inputs and expected results, ensuring components work within business workflows. Detailed test cases help uncover defects early, aligning with requirements. This ensures the final product meets both functional and business needs, providing a solid foundation for effective testing strategies. Business analysts play a crucial role in testing by developing test scenarios that ensure all business needs are covered. They bridge the gap between technical testers and business stakeholders, ensuring the solution is both technically sound and business ready. This collaboration is vital for aligning testing strategies with business objectives. The Requirements Traceability Matrix, RTM, is essential for mapping requirements to design, development, and testing artifacts. It ensures no gaps in requirement implementation and testing, supporting impact analysis, and maintaining alignment with stakeholder expectations. RTM is crucial for verifying completeness and accountability, especially in complex projects or regulated industries. In the post-implementation phase, we evaluate the solution's performance in the live environment. Business analysts gather user feedback to identify gaps and potential enhancements. We review success metrics to assess implementation effectiveness, ensuring the solution meets business objectives and supports continuous improvement based on real-world use. In conclusion, testing, validation, and post-implementation are pivotal in ensuring software solutions meet business objectives. Continuous improvement based on real-world use is crucial. These phases not only validate technical correctness, but also ensure alignment with business needs, ultimately leading to successful software projects.